Assalamualaikum and good evening, students. So today our lesson is gonna be about perimeter and area. Okay. So first I'll be discussing 2023 past papers. Okay. Right. Hope you all can hear me. And I'll start. Okay. Right. 2023 part 1, part B, second question. I'll be discussing that first. Okay. Hope you all got the paper. Okay. Children, I'll start the question, okay? Right. Let me read the question first, okay? The figure shows a vegetable plot consisting of a right angle triangular piece of land A, B, C and a piece of land ADC in the shape of a sector of a circle of central angle 90 degrees. Okay, right. Let's take the information here. Okay, let's draw the information here, paper, right? So what do they say? So basically, it's a triangle. Okay, and yeah, they say right angle triangular piece. And so it's like this here, and then you have a sector. Sector means a part of a circle. Okay, sector means a part of a circle. Okay, like a slice of pizza. When you have a pizza, it's a circle. When you get a part of a circle, like when you get a part of pizza, you call it as a sector. Example, okay? Right. So this is 90 degrees. The sector. Okay. Right. So the triangle, you get as A, B, C. Okay. And the sector A, C, D. Okay, that's the question. What the question says. Okay. What do they say? Take the value of pi as 22/7. Okay, so pi is equal to what? 22/7. Right. Now, let's take the first question. Okay. AD is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, AD is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. Hopefully you can see my screen, children. Is it blurry? It's like blurry. Okay. It's blur, right? Wait, give me some time, okay? Try to just give me some time, children. I'll try to adjust the camera. Is it still blurry? Can you see the screen, children? Children, can you see the screen now? Or is it still blurry? Right. Okay, I'll try to write a little larger. Okay, yeah, I hope you can see after that. Okay, right. Let me draw this diagram again once more. Okay. Right. A, C, B, D here. And then here it says 7 centimeter. Okay. How about now, children? Can you see the letters? Can you see it? Is it clear or is it still blurry? Children, is it lagging still or can you hear me? Okay. Right. Okay. So what the question says? Area is equal to 7 meters. Okay. Remember the units. Don't forget the units because there will be a problem when it comes to answering. Okay. So 7 meters. If a fence is built along the boundary of the of the sector ACD. Okay, wait. If a fence is built along the boundary of the sector ACD from C to D. Okay. Okay. So from C to D, you have a this thing, fence. You make a fence. Okay. Right. So where is it? C to D. What is it called? You call this the arc. You call this the arc. Okay. Okay. Find the length of the fence. Okay. How do you find it? How do you find arc length? Can someone send me the equation to find the arc length? Can someone type the equation in the chat? You can also maybe unmute and say the answer if you want. Okay. I'll just tell the answer. Okay. Right. To find the arc length, okay. Arc length is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, this is how we find it. You find the arc length. Arc length is equal to this. Okay. So tell me, what is theta? Theta is equal to 90 in this case. Okay. If you know this, if there's a rectangular piece, that means that is 90. Okay. 90 over 360 multiplied by 2. Pi is equal to 22 over 7. Okay. What is r? R is 7. Okay, r is radius. Okay, r means radius. So this is 7. Okay, right. Then first we can cut the zeros up and down. Okay, up and down zeros you can cut. Okay, up there's a 7, down there's a 7. Cut those 7s. Okay, right. Next thing we can take is from 9 and 36. There are 4 9s in 36. Okay, so 1 9 in 9, 4 9s in 36. Okay, right. Next thing is you can divide 4 and 2. Okay. How many 2s are there in 4? So how many? Yeah, 2. Yes, 2 2s in 4 and 1 2s in 2. Okay, right. You can divide further. 2 by 22. 1 2 and 11 2s. Okay, right. Wait, children. Sorry about that. Right. So what is remaining here? 11. So 11 times 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 11. And in the bottom, you have only ones. So you don't want to write that. So you write 11 centimeter. Sorry, not centimeter, meters. Okay, 11 meters. That's the arc length. And that is the length of the fence. Okay, the length of the fence is 11 meters. Does anyone have doubts in this? Children? Who has doubts in this? Like, did you understand what I taught here? Or do you want me to explain it again? Can I respond, please, so I can move on? Tell me, is there any problems in this, or is this clear? Clear, right. So we'll move on to the next part. Right. What does the second question say? Find the area of the piece of land ACD. Okay. What is ACD? Sector. Okay. Now this is to find the perimeter. No? Okay. When you find the length, you use the perimeter equation. Now what are they asking? Find the area. Okay. Right. How do you find the area? The question is 2023 O-level paper. So, this part 1, part B, second question. Okay. Hope you can find the paper. Okay. Right. What's the next question? Second one is find the area of the piece. Find the area of the piece of land ACD. So how do you find the area? Area, the equation is, okay, second one, area is equal to, okay, is it blurry? Was it clear? Is the screen blurry, children? Very blurred, that's what I'm asking. Write it larger. Area is equal to, okay, theta over 360 times. Now see, okay. Can you see the screen now, or is it still blurry? Okay. Screen is clear. Okay, fine. Right. When you find the perimeter or arc length, I'll say, you have to use the equation theta over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay. Now, notice one thing. You multiply r once. Why? This is the perimeter. Okay. But when it comes to area, okay, theta over 360, you don't write the 2. You write pi and you write r squared. R squared. Okay. You write theta 360 times pi r squared. Okay, right. So what is theta? Theta is equal to 90 in this case. See, because there's a rectangular thing, that means 90. Okay, 90 over 360 times pi is equal to 22 over 7. Okay, times radius is 7 here, so this is 7. So 7 multiplied by 7. R square means R into R. R into R is only R square. So R is what? 7. 7 into 7. Okay, right. So you can cut the zeros. Okay, there is up and down, you can cut the 7 also. Okay, how many 9s are there in 36? 4. Then we can cancel this also. You can divide this by 2, 11. Divide this by 2, 2. Okay, 7 into 11 is 77. Okay, and there's only 2 remaining, so we write 2. Okay, 77 over 2. Okay, you can leave it as 77 over 2, but don't forget the symbol meter square. Okay, or you can also divide it. When you divide it, you get the answer 38.5 meter square. Any doubts, children? Or is this clear? Children, is this clear or should I explain again? Okay, I'll explain again. Right. Okay. Now we have to find the area, no? So the equation to find area of a sector is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Okay. Now theta in here is 90. Okay, so we write 90. 360 remains the same. Pi is equal to 22 over 7. Okay, r is equal to the radius. Radius is 7. Now we have written not r, we have written r squared. R squared means r multiplied by r. Okay, r multiplied by r is 7 multiplied by 7. Why? Radius is 7. So r multiplied by r is 7 into 7. Okay, right. Now this is division. We'll go to the division part. So we can cancel 7 from the bottom and 7 from the top. Up and down, you can cancel this. Okay, right. Now you can cut this 0, you can cut this 0. Okay, then remaining is 9 and 36. There is, you can divide 36 by 9. 1 9s in 9, 4 9s in 36. Okay, now remaining is 22 and 4 in here and 7. So you can divide 22 by 2, then 11. You can divide 4 by 2, then you get 2. Okay, then remaining on the top is 1, 11, 1, 7. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 11 is 77. 77 into 1 is 77. Okay, that's how written on the top. So 2 is remaining in the bottom here. 2, 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. So 77 over 2. You can write like this. Adjust the camera. Okay. Is it blurry or is it too far? You asked me to adjust the camera. Just tell me whether it's too far or is it blurry. Ah, it's blurry. Okay. What do I do? Give me some. How about now? So I took it a little closer. How about now? Camera? Clear. Okay, fine. Right. Okay. Whoever asked explanation, like explain this, is it okay? Should I explain again, or is there any doubts? Anything? Should I explain this again? Or is it okay? Like we understand?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear, right? Okay, right. So we got the third question. Okay. Okay. Third question. What does it say? If the area of the piece of land ABC, what is ABC? You see? ABC is the triangular piece. ABC. Okay. Right. The triangular piece. Okay. Is 42 meters square. Okay. Find the length of BC. Okay. Find the length of BC. This one. Okay. Now look here. How to find the area of a triangle? What's the equation? What third question? Third one. Area of the triangle, okay, is equal to half into base into height. Half into base into height. Okay. Now, should remember one thing. Okay. This is the radius. AD. Yeah, correct. The equation is correct. This is the radius. Okay, AD. Now, AD and AC are equal. Okay. Why? This is also the radius. It directly comes like this and form like this is also the radius. So this one is equal to this one, which is AD is equal to AC. Do you understand why AD is equal to AC? Anyone is confused? Why AD is equal to AC?
Perpendicular.
Alright.
Radius of a circle.
Okay. Yeah, radius of a circle. Yes, exactly. Right. So AD is equal to AC. Now we know what is the base in the triangle? Can someone respond? What is the base? Now we know the area is equals to half into base into height. Now what is the base? In letters. Tell me. In this triangle. You can unmute and talk. What is the
AC.
basis?
AC.
Yes. No, base, darling. Base. No, we can also take, right? It's fine. No, we can take anything as base. But okay, it's fine. We'll write this now. We'll write this because it's fine. You can take this as a base or this one also, right? You can change it. It's fine. Anyways, we know one part, right? What is it? 7, right? We know that's 7. Okay. And the other part is BC. Okay. Height can be changed, base can be changed. Okay. Like you can also flip this thing and you can adjust and make the height and base. It's fine. Okay. Hope you understand. I didn't confuse you. Did I confuse you? Children, do you understand this or did I confuse in your view?
Understand, ma'am.
Understand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, right. So, what is the area in the question they are given? 42 meters square. Okay, right. So, now we know 2 is kind of like, now if something is in the bottom, it means it's dividing. Okay. Now division, when you bring to the other side, what happens?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Yes. So 42 multiplied by 2. Okay. Okay. Now we have 7. 7 is multiplying with these numbers. Multiplication bring to the other side, what happens? When you bring it to the other side, what happens to the multiplication?
Division.
Division.
Right.
Yes.
Divides.
Yes. Division. Then it's equal. Now we took the 2 to the other side. We took 7 to the other side. Now remaining is BC. Okay. 7 is divisible with 42. How many 7s are there in 42?
6.
6. Okay. 6 into 2 is
12.
12. Yes. 12. 12. Then what is the unit here?
Meter square.
Meter. No. We find the length of one side. Then what is the unit? Length of one side. Then what is the unit?
Meter.
Meter. Yes. Exactly.
Meter.
Any doubts in this?
No doubt, Madam.
If anyone has doubts, you can send me a text. Or you can even unmute your mics. It's no problem. You can.
Claimant.
Here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Right. Right. We'll move on now to the next one. Everyone's clear? Yes. Now we're going to the next part. Okay. Next part is no, we leave the diagram. Okay. It is required to join a rectangular piece of land outside the vegetable plot. Okay, wait. You see, what is the vegetable plot and what is the others? Okay, wait. The fence. Okay, the figure shows a vegetable plot consisting of right angle triangular piece of land. Okay, vegetable plot is the entire thing. Okay, the question says the entire thing is vegetable plot. Okay, it is required to adjoin a rectangular piece of land outside the vegetable plot with BC as one side. Okay, BC. This thing is one side. Okay, then the other side should now BC is one side means the other like what do you say? Now triangle has 4 sides now. So one side is this. The other sides will be 3 sides will be like this. Okay. Okay. We move on. Of area 3 times the area of the piece of land in the shape of a sector. Okay. Area of the sector we found. Where is it? Here. Okay. Now what the question says is the area of this rectangle that we are going to draw here. Okay, we're going to draw a rectangle here now. That oh, we're going to build something. They say, yeah, that area is 3 times of this area. Okay, 3 times of this area. What do you mean by 3 times of this area? How do you write it? You can unmute and say 3 times of this area means. You can give it a try. Children, you can give it a try. Just try and say what's the answer. What will be the answer? If it's 3 times the area of this. Okay, I'll answer it. If someone is answering, I'll answer it. Okay, 3 times the area of this thing means we have to multiply. Wait, here. We'll write it. So the area of the sector is what? 77 over 2. Okay, 77 yes over 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 times mean you have to multiply by 3. Okay. Hope it's clear.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now next part is find the width of the rectangular piece of land and draw a sketch of it with its measurement of the above figure itself. On the above figure itself, sorry. Right. Now how to find the width? How to find the area of a rectangle first? First, how do you find the area of the rectangle? What is the equation? Area of rectangle? Area is equal to? Area of rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Yes, length into breadth. Exactly, length into breadth. Okay. Now, we know the length. Okay, we know the length BC. We found it here. Here we found it BC. Okay, what is it? 12 meters. Okay, we know the length. Length is 12 meters. Now we don't know the breadth or the width. We don't know that. Okay, we know the area. What is the area? 77 over 2 multiplied by 3. 77 over 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, and we can write as meter square here because the area, no, area means meter square. Okay, right. Now tell me, here 12 is multiplied with the width or breadth. Then when you bring it to other side, what will happen? Multiplication to the other side. Children, when multiplication is brought to the other side, what happens?
Division.
Division. Yes. 77 over 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 12. Okay, is equal to breadth. Okay. Here you can divide 3 and 12. How many 3s are there in 12?
4.
4. Right. Right. So then our answer comes as, there's nothing else you can divide now. So 77 times 1 is? Seventy-seven times 1 is 77. Okay. 2 times 4 is? 0.2 is? 8. Okay. 8. Children, are you having any doubts? Can you respond to me? Are you having doubts? Is it confusing?
Madam, can you please explain one more time?
Yes. Okay. This thing, right? Last one.
Yes, ma'am. Fourth question.
Okay. Okay. So what are they saying again? We'll read the question again. Okay. It is required to adjoin a rectangular piece of land outside the vegetable plot. So vegetable plot is what? This whole thing. This whole thing is a vegetable plot. Okay, right. Then with BC as one side. Now we know rectangle has 4 sides, right? One side is BC. So the other 3 sides is somewhere here. Why? Because BC is one side. Now to draw a rectangle, you draw from here, right? So that's why I said the other 3 sides you can draw it like this. Okay, right. Next thing they say is of area 3 times the area of the piece of land. Okay, 3 times the area of piece of land in the shape of a sector. What is the area of the sector? We found here. This is the area of the sector. Okay, now area of sector is 77 over 2. That's what we written here. But what are they saying? 3 times. 3 times when you have to multiply by 3. Okay, right. That's why I have written here. 77 over 2 multiplied by 3. That's the thing I have written here. Area of the rectangle is equal to that itself. Okay, 3 times the area of the sector. Now we know that the equation for to find area of rectangle, it is length into breadth. Length is what we found it earlier. We see the length. We found it earlier. It is the 12 meters. 12 meters is the length. Okay. Then we write 12 meters times breadth. We don't know the breadth. Okay. Right. Here is 12 multiplied by the, when multiplication went to the other side, it becomes division. So when you write division, you write in the bottom. Okay, so that's why I've written here. I have simplified and I got the answers 77 over 8. What is the units here? What is the unit?
Meter.
Meter.
Square.
Yes. Meter. Anyone has doubts in this now still? Did you understand it or still it's confusing?
Madam, is the meter square and the meter will cut off and the last final meter will come, no?
Yes, yes. That's how it works.
Thank
Anyone
you.
else has problems? If you all have problems, you can send me in the chat. Yeah. I can move on or shall I
Clear,
shall I
madam.
explain?
We can.
Okay, I'll move on, okay? So we are yet done, okay? It is 77 over 8. We can, now it's a mixed fraction, no? You can still write it like this also, like this. You can divide it and write. It's fine, just, yeah, it's fine. Okay, then what do they say? The next part they say is, draw a sketch of it with its measurement of the above figure itself. Okay, on the above figure itself. Then how do you draw it? You draw something like this, a rectangle. Okay, and don't forget to mark. Okay, write here as 77 over 8, right? We got it. Here we got 77 over 8 now. So this length is equal to 77 over 8. And you can say this both are equal. Any doubts in this? Anyone has doubts?
No, madam. Clear.
Clear, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now you have to draw this. Okay, you get 1 marks for this. Okay, don't forget. Sometimes a question they ask you to draw. Most of students forget this. Forget to draw the rectangle. Then they lose marks. Also, some students forget one more thing. You know the area of a circle is 2 pi r. No. Why area of a circle is 2 pi r? Because theta becomes 360. No. In a circle, theta becomes 360. 360 over 360 will become 1. So the area of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, but when it comes to sector only, it changes. Theta or 360. Theta can be any value depending on the diagram they give in the exam. So the thing is, most of the students forget this. Theta or 360. And some students forget that for arc length is theta or 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, some students for the area also they write 2. Don't confuse it. Okay, in area there's no 2. It's pi r squared. So you have to be careful. These are things that you have to be careful when you do this question. And this question is the easiest question you can earn marks. They don't give complex questions in this. They give questions same like this one every time. Like they give the area and they tell you to find this. Or they say you draw an extra piece. This is how every it comes. If you check the past papers, it's like that. So don't forget that 2 pi r is only for perimeter, I mean arc length. And it only is arc length, okay? Only the arc length it comes. And also don't forget theta of 360. And 2 pi r is coming only for in terms of perimeter, or you can say arc length. But for area only you get pi r squared. There's no 2 and also theta of 360. Don't forget this because most of the students forget it. So be careful, okay, when you're doing papers. Then move on to 2022. And get the paper. Okay. Okay, the question. Now, the question says, I hope all of you have the paper 2022, part 1, part B, second question. I'm trying that question, okay? Right. The rectangular plot of land of length 30 meters and breadth 14 meters. Okay. Let me draw the diagram first. Here. Draw it here. Right. This is the rectangular plot. Okay. Rectangular plot. Length is what? 30 meters. Okay. Length is 30 meters. Okay. And what is the other thing they said? Breadth is 14 meters. Okay. Is the screen blur or is clear, right? Hopefully, you all can see the screen. If you have screen issues, then tell me, so I will adjust them. Okay. Okay. The rectangular plot of land of length 30 meters and breadth 14 meters. Also, one more mistake what most of students make is meter centimeter. Okay. Most of the time now in the school, what do you use? You use centimeters, right? So what students do is they miss these units also. They sometimes write centimeter instead of meter. Some write for the length. When you find the length, some write meter squared. But if I meter squared and it's a length, right? When it's a length, you write meters. And those are the issues students make. Just be careful. Okay. I'm just here to warn you how you are going to make a mistake, because this is the question you can earn 10 marks easily. Okay, because there's no complex things. They don't ask complex stuff. The only problem that students make is units, equation. So those are problems students make. So just be careful, okay, children. Right. Okay. So here, see, we'll draw it. So this is the colored area. Okay, colored area. Represented by A, C, D, F. A, C, D, F. Okay, right. Next thing is that in the figures divided two equal parts. Here it's divided two equal parts. Okay, this both are equal. And remember that this thing is equal to this thing. Okay, right. By the line B, you write it here. E is here. Okay, right. The portion done by A, B, G, E, F. So G is the arc. Arc is a G. This arc is G. Okay. Has been allocated for swimming. Swimming pool. Okay. We'll write it as SP. SP means swimming pool. SP. Okay. BGE. Okay. BGE. Okay, wait. Is a semicircular portion of it. We know, right? From here it's starting, it's ending from. It's a semicircular portion. Okay. The shaded region has been allocated for lawn. Okay. We write as L here for lawn. We write as L in here. Right. Now we'll read the question. Find the radius of the semicircular portion. Children, tell me what is the radius? Okay, just guess and tell me the answer. What do you think the radius is? Can you see what I have written, or should I write it larger and tell me that? This is 14, okay? 14 meters. Now tell me, what do you think the radius is? You can unmute your mic and say. What is the radius? Okay, I'll do it right. Okay. So this whole thing, AF, okay, AF is 14 meters now. So this is also equal to 14 meters. Okay, this BE is also equal to 14 meters. Okay, because a rectangle, like this is equal. So B is equal to 14 meters. So is 14 meters the radius or not? Just tell me that thing. Children, is 14 meters the radius or not? Just say yes or no. And why? Why
40
is
meter,
AF?
40,
Sorry?
40 meter is the diameter, so the half of the 40 meter is the radius.
Yes. 40 is the diameter, not the radius. How to find the radius then?
Divided by 2. 14.
Divided by 2. Because this is, now, can you see children? Diameter means, wait, let me show what is the diameter and radius. Okay. Someone said yes, that's right. So this is a circle. I'll write here. So this is a circle. Okay. From here to here, from this end to this end, you call it as diameter. And half of diameter is only radius. Okay. Half of diameter is only radius. Okay. Why radius mean? From here, you should, let me get another color, radius. Let's take this as center. From center to here, this is the radius. So to find the radius, diameter divided by 2 is only equal to radius. So here, this is the diameter. Diameter is 14. So first question, diameter is 14. Divided by 2 is equal to 7 meters. This is the radius of the semicircle. Okay. Right. We move on to the next question. Find the perimeter of the portion allocated for swimming pool. What did we say swimming pool? Swimming pool includes this one, okay, plus this one, plus this one, plus this one. All of them together is only, what is it? The perimeter of the swimming pool. Okay. What is the this thing? Shall we add this all? So to find the perimeter, first we'll start from here. Okay. AF is equal to, okay, we'll write perimeter here. Perimeter is equal to, okay, we'll start from here because this entire thing is the swimming pool. Okay. So AF plus FE plus we'll write as G. Okay, we'll write as G. This is not important right in the exam, but I'm going, as I'm explaining you all, I'm going to write these letters. Okay, so AF plus FE plus G, the G is the with her and G will write this. Okay, EB there is EB or EGB. We'll write like that. EGB is better because that's the whole semicircle plus BA. Okay. AF is equal to what? 14 meters plus, okay. Children, what is the length of FE? What is the length of FE? The question says that this is divided equally into half. Okay, this where the line is there, it's divided equally into half. Now tell me what is the length of FE? What do you think the length is? Someone give a try. Just give it a try. Then you can learn it. You won't forget. So basically, it's half. Half of 30. Half of 30 is 15. Okay. Half of 30 is 15. Why they say exactly divide into half. So that means this FE and ED is equal. Why 30 divided by half is only this length. So half of 30 is 15. So 15 FE, and what is the now we have to find the arc. We have to find the arc length. What is the equation to find arc length?
Theta by 316 to 2 pi r.
Yes, theta or 316 to 2 pi r. Okay, we write in the bracket. Okay, plus. Okay, arc is done. Next, now AF, FE, EGB, BA. BA is this thing. BA is also 15. Why half of 30? Okay, because the question says, I'm not saying this. This question has been already, it has been given in the question. Okay, now we can add all of this and we can find this, and later we can add this. Okay, now 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 14 is 44. Okay, now we have one more thing to add, this bracket stuff. What is it? What is theta in this case? What is theta in this case?
Degree. 90 degrees.
Sorry?
90
No,
degrees.
this is half circle.
100
Half
degrees.
circle.
Sorry. 180 degrees.
Yes, 180 divided by 360 times 2 times. We know theta is equal to 22/7 times the radius we found it here times 7. Okay, now 0, 0 cancel. 7, 7 you can cancel up and down. Okay, now 2 18s are then 36. 1, 2, then 2 and 2 you can again cancel. Remaining is 22. Then what do you write? 44 plus, only 22 is remaining. We write that. And then total perimeter is equals to 66 centimeter. Not centimeter, sorry. Meters. Yes, meters. Okay, not centimeters, meters. Because here the unit has been given meters, right? Okay. Any problems?
Madam, how the 44 come? 14 plus 15, 29.
No, it is 15 plus 15. Here I didn't have space, that's why I wrote it down. Okay. 15, how do you get from this one half? No.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So this one is 15, this one is 15, total is 30. Okay. Plus this thing, 14. Then 44, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And this arc length is separately fine and we add it. Anyone else have doubts? If you have doubts, you can ask. I will help you.
Clear, madam.
Clear, right? Okay. Next piece is find the area of the portion allocated for the first swimming pool. Okay. Area. Okay. Now found here is perimeter. Now we're going to find the area. Okay. How to find the area? Right. Here. Right, here we go. Yes, how to find the area is, first of all, we can find the area of the this thing. What? This square. Where is it? Hope you can see it. This square thing. AF EB. First of all, find the area of this and then we'll add with the area of this thing. Okay. Now, how to find the area of that square? Wait, I think okay, first. Okay. So, how do you find the area of this square? Square, no, but rectangle, right? How do you find this?
Length into breadth.
Yeah, length into breadth. Okay, we'll write that here. So, area is equal to length into breadth. Okay, right. What is the length? What is this length? Oh, you say breadth. What is it?
14 meters.
14. Okay. 14 multiplied by, what is this
15.
length?
15.
15. Right. 14 multiplied by 15. 14 multiplied by 15. The answer is, okay, 210. Okay. I got the answer here. Meter squared. Okay. 210 meters squared. Okay. Now that thing is done. Are we done with the questions still, or is there something else to add? For the swimming pool. So swimming pool is the entire thing. Unshaded region is swimming pool. So is it are we done with the question or should we add something else? So basically we have to add this semicircle also. Okay, semicircle area also we have to add. So swimming pool it consists of this rectangular portion and this semicircle. Now rectangular portion is done. Now how to find the area of semicircle? What is the equation to find the area of semicircle? You can unmute your mic and say how to find the area of the semicircle.
Half pi r squared.
Half pi r squared. Also correct. Theta over 360 also correct. Okay, right. Half times what is pi?
22 by 7.
Yeah, 22 over 7 multiply by, what is the radius we found here?
7 into 7.
7 into 7. Right. Right. And what can we cancel? We can cancel this 7 and this 7. Then done. How many 2s are there? 22. 11. Okay. How many 2s are there in 2? 1. Now remaining is 11 into 7 is 77. 1 into, however, 1 is 1, right? We don't write that. So area of the semicircle is 77 meters square. Okay. Then what is the total area of the swimming pool? Total area of the swimming pool is this rectangular piece plus this semicircular piece. So rectangular piece is 210. Okay, 210 meters squared plus semicircular piece is 77 meters squared. Answer is 287 meters squared. This is the answer. Is there any doubts? Is there anything I should explain again? So you can tell me because we are in the last question. If you are having doubts, I can clear it.
No, madam. Clear.
Okay, clear, right? Okay. Last piece of the question. Okay. If it is required to adjoin a rectangular plot which is equal in area to the area of the portion allocated for loan. If it is required to adjoin. See, last time also we saw one thing, okay? They fix another piece. That was it. Here, this one. Okay, see, last question also they fix a rectangular portion. This question, even the 2022 paper, they are going to fix another piece to this which diagram? This diagram. This diagram they are going to fix something here. Let's see what is it. Okay, let's see what is that thing. If it is required to adjoin a rectangular plot which is equal to the area of the plot allocated to the lawn. Okay, lawn. What is the lawn? This shaded region is lawn. So how to find the area of the lawn? Okay, now we said one thing. Okay, remember we said that. Okay, wait, the screen. Okay, now we can see it. AFEB is its area is equal to BEDC. Why? We said that correctly half. We divide this. So therefore, this rectangle's area is equal to this rectangle's area. Okay, hope it's clear. So now this both areas are equal now, but one problem. There is this half portion is missing. Even we found this one separately, right? We found the area of the whole rectangle here, this swimming pool rectangle piece, and this rectangle piece, we said what? Equal, no? But we found the area of this. But the problem here is, here there's an extra semicircle missing. So how do you find? Now we know the area of this rectangle. We know the area of the semicircle. We can subtract and we can find the area of the shaded region. Do you understand? Are you confused? You can unmute your mic and talk. You can unmute your mic and talk. Tell me, Shiva, is it clear or is it confusing?
Clear, madam.
Clear, right? Okay. So how to find the area of the lawn? To find it, now we know the area of the square is 210. Right? 210. Okay. Minus, what is it? The area of semicircle? 77. Okay, 210 minus 77. 210 minus 77, the answer is 113. Okay, 113. If you even do the calculator, you can find the answer is 113. No, 133. Sorry, 133 meter square, because it's area of meter square. Okay, now we found the area of this lawn. Okay, we found the area of this lawn. Right. Now what the question says? Question says area of the lawn, it is equal to the area of the rectangular portion we are going to build. Okay. And one more thing they say, the rectangular portion, one length is DC. This length, the length, no, the breadth is DC. Okay. Okay, right. So, what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the rectangle is equals to, we found it here already, length into breadth. Okay, length into breadth. Now, we know the area here. We found it here. 133 meters square. Length is, okay, this side is 14. Here it's there. This side is 14. So, 14 multiplied by, the breadth is not known. Not breadth, length, sorry. Length is not known. Okay, because this is breadth, no? This is breadth, no? Length is not known. Length is not known. Right. Now, what should we do? Multiplication into the other side, what happens?
Divide.
Children? Divide, yes. Divide. So, what is the units then here? If you find the length, what is the unit?
Meters.
Meters. Meters. Exactly. This is the answer. Any doubts in this?
Madam, the final exam, can we write in the fraction form?
Fraction form you're asking?
Yes.
In your marking scheme, okay, give me some time and let me check the marking scheme again.
Okay.
In the marking scheme, some answers there are fractions.
Okay.
If you want, I can show you. Wait, I don't have a paper, I have the device, okay, here. hopefully you can see it. Here it is there. It says, I can't zoom it. This is a fraction, the answer. This is
Yeah.
the 2023 paper, okay? This is also a fraction answer. So yeah, then you can. Okay.
Thank you.
Also, this one we can further divide, but I hope I don't confuse you all. We can divide this by 7, then there's 2, right? If you divide this one by 7, also you can get a simplified answer. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, but it's okay. We'll leave it like this. I don't want to confuse you all because, yeah. Any doubts? Is this confusing? And also, we forgot one more thing, okay? We didn't finish the question still. See. Now they are saying sketch this plot with measurements in the given figure itself. Okay, how do you do? You draw another rectangle. Okay. And this will be 133 over 14. 133 over 14. Because we found it here now. Same thing, we write it here. Okay. Don't forget this. You will lose 1 marks if you don't draw this. Okay. Because if you think 1 mark is a very small mark, no, it's not like that. 1 mark is also worth it. Okay. Because if you lose 1 mark, like if you get 74 marks, you get a B. If you get 75 marks, you get an A. So let's say you lose 1 mark, it's like you're losing an A, right? From B. So just be careful. Every mark is worth it in the exam. Is there any doubts? Is there any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. There are a few other things. Now, usually you get short questions from that part A. Also, you get sectors area. Okay. So just don't forget the equation for perimeter area equation. Don't forget. Is there any other questions? Any doubts you have? So because I had to wind up this. We're done with everything. The paper is over. Like we are finished. Clear, right? So shall we end this?
Yes, ma'am.
Children? Okay. Okay then. Assalamualaikum and thank you so much for joining and have a
Walaikum salam. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome.
okay. Yeah, welcome. See you all. See you next session. Okay. On